We're just at the full drive accessible beach down here in Exmouth, up here in Exmouth actually. Megan's just having a swim. We're gonna cook some dinner up here tonight. But first of all, I'm gonna have a beer. Megan and I have just come down to the marina here to do a bit of fishing, try and catch some squid. And look at that sunset in the background. And we're lucky enough to, there's actually some dolphins out there. I don't know what they're doing. Alright guys, we just got to the Cape Range part of Exmouth here, and the first stop is the turtle nesting spot. Let's see if we can see some turtles. I don't know if we're here at the right time or...
Yeah, I feel like maybe sunset.
Yeah, I think we're here at the wrong time, but we're going to try anyway.
If I just see one, I'll be happy.
Have a look. So we're down on the beach and you got all these, I'm guessing they're turtle tracks. I don't know if you can see it in the camera, and then they lead up to this, to these holes. But yeah, it's pretty interesting. No turtles though, unfortunately. Alright, so no turtles at the turtle nesting area, so we've come to the turtle resting area. Let's try our luck here, eh? There better be some bloody turtles up here, because this hill's massive. Hey Megan.
Yep.
There's turtles everywhere. Everywhere here, little black dots everywhere.
Oh, let's go get the snorkel.
I'm so
out
excited.
The car.
I don't think we're allowed to snorkel. I don't know.
Oh yeah, it said to stay away from
Yeah.
it, didn't it?
We're not allowed to go near them, so we're going to respect that. But yeah, I don't know if the photo does it justice, but there is just little black spots everywhere. How cool is that? That's crazy. Just got to Oyster Stacks. Hopefully the tide's up. They recommend to go here when the tide's up.
Snorkel between these times. Oh, so pretty much perfect.
Never snorkeled before. It's gonna be hilarious. Is it watertight? Go, just duck down, see what it's like. No, you swim. At Mesa campsite, we've pulled up. When you go to book on the National Parks website, you can actually pick where you want to go, and we've done it again. We've picked the best bloody camp spot. Have a look at this. So we've got to our campsite at North Mandu, and we've got some friends, and they won't leave us alone. Hey little buddy. We just got to Mandu Gorge. It's a 3 kilometre return. Actually better get the keys for the car. And the camelback. 3 kilometre return hike up to the gorge. It's real overcast today and foggy and not really beach weather, is it? No. Nah, it's turned out not too good today. So we're going to do a hike. We're lucky enough to have gorges on the other side of the coast. You locked the back door, eh? Right. Let's go. Bit of a different kind of style hike today. As we walk up to the gorge, look, I can see people right up the top.
Really?
Yeah. Right up there. That's where we're going. Oh no. The uphill begins. Look at that. There is so many flies. Watch this. Are they all in the backpack still? They are everywhere. But they seem to settle down on the back of your back, so I'm happy with that. Oh man, look at this. I don't think the camera does it justice. This is steep. Holy crap. Not expecting it to be that hard, but we've made it. Pretty puffed out. Let's see what we got here. Like I said, the weather's not too good, so I don't really think you can see anything on the camera, but we'll give it a shot. I think Megan gypped me. She read on Wikicams that it has reception up here on the top of the hill.
Next week for episode 4 as we continue travelling down the Coral Coast. Don't forget to subscribe and follow us on Instagram for daily content. See you next time.